friend. He's going to drive my bakkie, and then I'm going to pick up the car. He's just going to help me double check everything just to make sure everything is good on the car, and we're just going to take it from there. But I'll keep you guys updated with everything. Springs, here we come.
Is that a burnout mark? We paid the man and hit the road, but then the unimaginable happened.
Alright guys, so I bought the Type R, driving in it now, on my way home. I'm sorry I couldn't take a video when I was there. It was just such a hassle, yeah, because there's so many police on the road, and speed cops and stuff, and the car doesn't have license plates on, so yeah, I'm just taking a risk here. So
A few hours later.
Boeta, ek wys dit gou vir jou daar, so wat 'n fucking
A bloody pirate. A scallywag.
eintlik is. So hy laat my ry sonder 'n voorste nommerplaat. Soos jy kan sien, nommerplaat is nie aan voor nie. Die license disc wys 2017. Ek het daarom 'n dealership papier saam gekry. Maar check ek het vergeet van daai nommerplaat. Ek weet nie of ek dit gesê het laas nie. Kyk die nommerplaat agter en kyk die registrasie nommer. Check hy hy wys WH, maar check op die license disc. En sy WCH. En ek het hom laas gevra daaroor, toe sê hy vir my nee, dis om e-tol te vermy. Jy weet, as hulle jou aftrek, vat hulle jou kar. As hulle jou aftrek en jou kar se fucking nommerplaat stem nie saam met jou license disc nie, vat hulle impound jou kar fucking neer daar, so hy het my net so laat ry. Only issue that I've noticed on the highway, it's got a slight of a vibration as soon as I step on the gas. I thought it was the tires, because the tires are still really old. Yeah, so if I de-accelerate, the car is fine, but as soon as I press on the acceleration, it's definitely a slight vibration, so let's just hope it's not something major. Well guys, there she is, the Type R. Fetched it yesterday from Springs, and so we drove with my bakkie, and took one of my friends with me, so he drove my bakkie back and I took the car. So yeah, I took the car when I came back, took it for a car wash immediately. It looks better than it did. So car drove nicely on the highway. It's just that little bit of a vibration issue that we had. Other than that, the car drives really nice, good power, stock standard. Yeah, so there's a few things that I saw the first time I went to have a look at a car. Just want to take a shot from the side. Really nice. I'll show the inside. So the first time when I had a look at the car about a few weeks ago, so we did take it for a test drive. I didn't drive it, the owner drove it, and so everything seemed 100%. The only wear and tear that I see is basically this gear lever cover, and otherwise, yeah, it's still got low mileage on it. That's really clean inside. So yeah, so we took it for a drive. It felt great, everything was great. I really loved the car, and now for the second time when I got back yesterday, I've noticed a few things that I wasn't really happy with. Let me just open the bonnet, show you the inside. Guys can see it's just a little bit dirty, but the engine bay is still really clean. So that's not bad at all. Engine bay is still clean, and check here. So everything still seems intact under the bonnet. Yeah, then it's just that vibration when you give it full throttle. So I did put on a post on Facebook on Honda group, Honda South African group, and I asked about it, and the guys told me that the common problem on these are the inner CV joints. So they do wear and tear, and then you have to replace them. So I'll probably have to replace the CV joints. Yeah, so but we'll see. I'll just have to take it in for the diagnosis first. So the plan is to make this black. I'm still thinking about making the wheels black, but I don't like the offset that much. As you can see, check the offset. So there's a big gap here. Put it like this. So I would rather want the wheels stand out a little bit, like my FN1 that I had. So the wheels came out a little bit more. The offset was a lot better. And then obviously I want the mug and wing. I don't like this one. So yeah, that's basically the plan. And I also want to tint the headlights, make it completely dark. Both headlights dark, and the spotlights I want to put like a yellow color. I also want to put this also, make this also yellow. So that's the plan, and yeah, that's the plan. We'll see how it goes, then we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so after I viewed the car, did a walk around, I used the car to go to customers and suppliers, and did some work with the car. Left the bucket at home. You know, if you got a new car, you just want to ride it, get an excuse to drive it everywhere. So I've been driving it for a while now, and that vibration got worse. I'm afraid to drive the car with that vibration. I don't really want to drive it any further. So I decided to do some research and yeah, some more research on the car, and yeah, so what it came down to was it's definitely CV joints. They said it could also be the mountings on the engine or the gearbox. I doubt that. I really think it's the CV joints. So they say the common issues on them are the inner CV joints, the type of vibration that I'm having, and I hope that's not the case, but they say usually it indicates that one of the inner CV shafts are bent. So hopefully it's just the inner CV joints and not one of the shafts. The parts on these cars are really rare. They are expensive, and there's certain things, if you can get it, you must buy it from the agency, and we all know the agency is expensive. So let's hope for the best. So I did find someone on Facebook that told me to go to Nashed Tuning, Nashed Tuned. So the guy's in Midrand, it's not so far from my house. I think it's about 30 kilos. So I did speak to him, spoke to him on the phone, told him what my symptoms are, and he said it sounds like inner CV joints. So he said the best will be just to bring the car so he can give me a proper diagnosis, and then we can just take it from there. It sounds like a really nice guy. Googled him obviously, checked his reviews, and the reviews are really good. He's got 5-star reviews, so everybody's recommending him. Seems like he definitely knows his Hondas. So yeah, so I'm gonna take the car to Nash. It's either gonna be Thursday or Friday. I'll see how it goes. I'm not 100% sure. I'm really busy with work at the moment. But yeah, let me take it to Nash, see what he can do for me. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to Nashed Tuning now in Midrand. Taking the Honda for that vibration issue. Luckily traffic is not that bad. So yeah, driving with the Honda now. Driving absolutely great. Yeah, the car is really smooth on the road. It's just when you press on the gas, you can definitely feel the slight vibration there.
But yeah, we'll hear what he says. Apparently this guy is really good with the Hondas. I don't know him, just saw he's got a 5-star review. Yeah, and he specializes in Hondas. He definitely knows his Hondas. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, let's see what happens. You can just give me a proper diagnosis just to make sure exactly what the issue is. But as far as my research and a few phone calls with guys with Hondas, they all told me it's definitely inner CV joints. But yeah, we'll see when I get there, see what it is. I'll keep you guys updated.
Alright guys, so as soon as I arrived, I saw Hondas everywhere. As you can see, this one is the Honda Core Type S. They're still busy with it. It's going to be the first all-wheel drive Honda Core Type S in South Africa. A lot of mods on the car. And yeah, there's FK2s, FN2s, championship editions. Yeah, all are customized. Just really good looking cars. So it seems like this guy is the real deal. And now I'm going to show you this next one is definitely my favorite.
Yes. Wat is neat, bro. Yes, but I love this color.
Even the skull cap, that's carbon. All that skin.
Yes. This car is really neat. I really like this car, especially the color.
Yeah, he just wanted to be different. He reckon, let's keep it. He even did a sunroof.
I saw the sunroof. So
Yeah, he did that sunroof.
doesn't come out like that. You have to install it yourself.
He did the screens.
Yo, this car is neat.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.
When the night get cold, a pit on the run, never do what I'm told. Bed top blur when the red line scream, foot to the floor chasing our machine tree.